how to do the OLL case 14 step by step. Let's do this. Have to see this case is formed by these 4 yellow squares. You can see like an L, 2 down here, 2 up here, and 1 on the left side. Now I will show how to solve it. Have to move this right layer down like this. Now on the front layer you go down as well. Now you do these 3 moves. Up with this right layer, you go to the left side with this upper layer. Now you go down. Now you go up with this front layer. Now you go up with this right layer as well. Now you go down here, return, and go up. Now I'll show it a little bit faster. Let's do this. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel to help me to do more content for you. And comment below if you liked and if you want more videos like this. I'll wait you for the next content. Take care.